All right. Then we'll turn to Alicia Martini. Ma'am, if you could please come off of mute and activate your camera. All right. Can you hear us there, Miss Martini? So I see a message from her. All right. I see you came off mute. Are you able to come off? All right. Hi, Miss Martini. Are you able to come off, activate your camera?
It does. It doesn't get to play it, do the video because my phone battery is too low.
Kind of hard to hear you. Were you saying your phone doesn't have video?
Hello?
Can you hear us okay?
Can you hear me, Jonas?
We can. Doesn't sound like you can hear us though.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Miss Martini, we have been trying to reach her to give her discovery, and we held it at the office.
Okay.
She doesn't have her discovery is the problem.
Okay. And Miss Martini, are you still unable to hear us here?
Say that again?
All right. All right, Miss Martini, for today's hearing, this isn't. I don't think this is going to work today. We're gonna. She can't hear me.
What was that?
Yeah. Here. Yeah. Can you let her know?
Option on here?
I don't think so. I can't hear that. Yeah, if you can let her know. Well, just let her know that we are aware that she can't hear us, so no need to respond. We're not addressing her directly. Ms. Pritkin, do you know when Speedy runs on this case?
I haven't looked. I'm sorry, Your Honor. She has two cases that are DV, and then another one's up for trial confirmation that's general misdemeanor.
Yeah.
And a backup. Oh, well, I guess one of the DV cases is the backup case.
Yeah, the backups were all set to each other. So I think there's actually three cases here.
Right.
Or
1017, 1023, and then the one ending 853.
Yeah. Well, let's see.
She was told back on December, she was told multiple times to go to the PAO office in building 2 to get discovery, and she never picked it up.
Okay.
For the 2 DD cases.
Okay. Yeah, and I saw that she, as of yesterday at least, is checking in with pretrial services. I know this was on for conditions.
I guess,
so she's doing that.
Just as of yesterday. We also mailed her letters to pick up discovery.
All right. So I think trying to figure out Speedy, because I would like to, she can just call in. If you want to send her a message that if she wants to call in on that new number.
And she does not have an attorney. I've spoken to her privately on a Zoom breakout. I think, we had a discussion with her about it.
Yeah. This is the first I've been on the bench for one of her hearings. Does she?
I think there needs to be more discussion about what direction she's going in. She has not had a discussion with me about resolutions, which needs to happen.
So let's wait and see if she calls back. Better reception.
Yeah, she was supposed to, back on December 4th, the court ordered her to pick up discovery at the courthouse and said that discovery would be held at the main courthouse until the 22nd. And she was supposed to sign that she's picked it up, and that didn't happen.
All right. Miss Martini, can you hear us now?
Yes, can you hear me?
All right. Yes. Okay, we can. So Miss Martini, from here on out, you're going to have to come in person. Because if we can't see you, we have connection issues. We're not able to have these hearings.
Yeah, okay.
Right. Okay. All right. So Miss Martini, we're here for a trial confirmation. I understand you still haven't picked up discovery for your case, though. What's going on?
Yeah, I just now got a phone that is actually mine. So, and like I said, I've been homeless because the no contact order. So it's been a struggle, you know. So I'll make sure to pick it up as soon as possible. As soon as I can get a ride down there.
Okay. So I want to just rehash with you here. So you're representing yourself pro se. You know, one of the benefits of having an attorney, and I believe from the docket notes here, you qualified for court-appointed counsel. One of the benefits there is it's not on you to pick up discovery and go through all of that. You have an attorney who's doing that for you. Are you still wishing to proceed without an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I mean, do you understand that today, I mean, we could just set this case for trial. You've got trial dates, but you don't have discovery. You know, I mean, in this point, if it would be continued, it would because, you know, you didn't go out and get the discovery, and that's kind of on you. I understand you've got some hardships there, but again, that's why you have attorneys.
Yeah.
You know, so it's not a terribly powerful reason to not have the trial as it's scheduled. I mean, does any of that at all encourage you to talk to a lawyer?
I'd rather just continue to represent myself. I trust my own opinion and my own I just know that I have my own best interest at stake, you know.
Hey, Miss Martini, we can't hear you again.
I trust myself. I don't really trust any court appointed attorneys, honestly.
Okay. Well, we're here for trial confirmation. We've got trial dates, looks like towards the end of January. Are you ready for trial?
Well, I could be.
Okay, so I'm just
I
gonna.
have my side of the discovery, my evidence, and all my documents.
Okay, but you don't have any of the prosecutor's evidence against you.
This is true, but I'm confident in my own documentation.
Your Honor, is the court allowed to appoint a backup attorney or something that would be useful in this case?
We do.
I would like to have the prosecutor discovery as well.
Well, it's been available for you.
It's been available for over a month.
Yeah, and there was a court order for you to go pick that up. Yeah, but that's going to have to be on you to come get it.
Okay, and where do I pick that up at again?
You said it was at.
It was at Maine for a month, and she knew that it was there.
It's at. So over at Superior Court, you said.
Yeah.
So it's at Thurston County Superior Court. It's been there for a month.
Okay. All right, I will make it over there to get it. Is that my discovery for all my cases, or is that just the district court, or?
Is that for all her district court cases?
2 DB cases.
Or you've got 2 domestic violence cases where the state has discovery. You've also got another case that's driving with a suspended license in the 3rd degree and driving without an ignition interlock device.
And that's the discovery for all of them?
No.
That's discovery for the 2 domestic violence cases.
Okay, can you also include the discovery for the other case?
Well, you're going to have to. Are you the attorney on those 2?
I'm not.
And
the state is getting a little frustrated because we've had this sitting there and the court ordered her to get it by a certain date and she didn't.
Right.
I was not aware that it was a court order to go pick it up.
Well, I didn't issue that order. I mean,
Yeah.
whether or not it's a court order or not, I mean, it was there for you. So, okay.
Yeah, honestly, I don't even remember having that conversation. I remember them saying that they would get it ready, but.
Your Honor, the last thing I think that before Ms. Martini leaves.
And before you leave, yep,
Yeah.
stick around here, ma'am.
As she is going to be representing herself on these cases, she'll need to receive discovery. My office was working a plan to get discovery to her in the jail. Now that she's being released, she'll need to go to district court and speak with the PAO office in building 2. So I don't know if she knows how to get there.
Yes.
Like I said, I haven't had a phone, so maybe that was sent to my old phone number or something.
I think it was sent. I think it was. It was said to you at the last hearing, so it wouldn't have gone to your phone. All right.
Okay.
She also received a letter at the main post office.
Okay.
She received notice in court multiple times.
All right. So jury trial dates are currently set for you've got a case ending in 1017. That's assault in the 4th degree domestic violence. That's set for January 12th, so Monday. That's also when you're driving with a suspended license case is also set for trial on the 12th. And then on January 26th and 27th, that's your trial for protection order violation. All right. It looks like your speedy trial expiration time for the assault case, I believe, is January 18th. From the discussion that I heard earlier, I'm guessing that Monday the 12th.
Well, I mean, that's my concern.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's see.
I mean, are we continuing this? Are we assuming that she's going to show up on Monday and potentially
Standby counsel, public defenders? We done that for our cases yet? You're not on standby?
No, I think there was actually some discussion that she didn't want it at one of the hearings, that was imposed, and then Ms. Martini got a little upset. But I don't know if that's something the court can actually force.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Is she confirming for trial for the 12th?
Looking at her. So, okay, so the matter set on the 12th was, well, I'm not going to make a motion for you. So, Ms. Martini, are you ready to go to trial on Monday?
I can try to be.
Okay, because if you confirm for trial on Monday, the prosecutor's showing up ready to go to trial, and if you show up and you're not ready, that's you're gonna have to be ready to go. I don't know what else to tell you.
Yeah. Well. Okay, so this is just the confirmation for trial.
Yep.
So it's just going to remain on the 12th. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I mean, you haven't asked for a continuance. I haven't granted a continuance, but it's set for trial on Monday, and today's hearing is to confirm ready for trial.
And a continuance, how long would a continuance be?
Well, not very long. I mean, the only reason it would be continued is because you're not picking up discovery. And the only reason I'm inclined to maybe grant you one is I don't see that your case has been continued yet. And it's pretty often that people get a continuance or so, one or two, but that's often when attorneys and folks are working in good faith to try to resolve a matter, not just not picking up discovery. So I'll give you a continuance, not very long, but you need to actually ask for one too. I'm not going to continue it for you.
Okay. So I just ask for a continuance.
All right. Well, that's just going to be on the matter set for Monday. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Ms. Martini.
Yes.
I'm going to continue I'm gonna find good cause. I recognize your pro se, even though you're kind of pro se by choice here. Give you a good cause continuance for not being ready for trial on Monday. In your assault case and the driving with suspended license and driving without ignition interlock case. Those are the two cases that are set for trial on Monday.
Okay.
You also have trial, like I said, trial set for Monday, January 26th on the protection order violation. That is going to continue to be a trial date. What I'm going to
Okay.
do is that Monday morning, that's going to be your trial on the protection order case. I'm going to set that court date also for trial confirmation
Okay.
for your assault case and the driving cases.
Okay, help me out here. Slow
Yeah.
down.
Okay.
So January 26th would be jury. So no change in 1023. The
So
protection.
1023, you're confirming, she's confirming
Yeah.
for trial?
Well, I guess.
Is that what you just did?
Well, I guess I should clarify that with her. So, Ms. Martini, we're here also for trial confirmation on that protection order case on January 26th. Okay. All right. You haven't picked up discovery for that either. Okay. But we're here for trial confirmation on that as well.
That's plenty of time.
Okay. All right. So that's going to go to trial on Monday, the 26th. If you haven't picked
Okay.
up discovery by then, that's going to trial.
Yeah.
All right. So that's January
Okay.
26th and 27th. So then
Okay.
also on January 26th, that will be trial confirmation for, so I'll do a good cause excluded period on 1017 and 6853. Excluded
And
period to,
I text update.
yep,
with my
one
new
second,
phone.
Ms. Martini. We're setting dates real quick. All right.
Okay.
So then also, so January 26th, that's going to be your trial on the protection order case. That is also
Okay.
going to be trial confirmation for the cases that would be going to trial on Monday. That's the assault case and the driving case. So that
Okay.
you have to come ready to confirm ready for trial on those cases, which means you need to have had the discovery and look through the discovery and be ready for trial. All right. For those, then your trial is going to be set for the following Monday, February 2nd and 3rd.
Okay.
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 All right. So your question about text reminders, you want the number you're calling in now to be the number where the court sends you text reminders?
Yes, please.
All right. Actually, does that all make sense? Okay. Ms. Pritikin, does that make sense?
Yes,
What we're
thank
doing?
you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right. So Ms. Martini, again, Monday's cases are canceled. Your next court date's January 26th. Discovery for the domestic violence cases is waiting for you to pick it up at the courthouse. That's Thurston County Superior. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome. And you got to be there in person.
Am I done?
You are. You're free to go.
Okay, thank you.
In this case, the defendant relied on the idea that calling herself a sovereign citizen would somehow change how the law applies to her. The judge made it clear that court rules still apply to everyone, including the responsibility to review evidence and prepare for trial. Representing yourself is allowed, but it also means accepting the risks and responsibilities that come with it. Situations like this show why understanding real legal procedures matters far more than relying on internet myths.